no es una prueba, estamos practicando. Necesitamos equivocarnos y necesitamos grabar cuando te equivocas para ver dónde te equivocaste para mejorar. ¿No te acabo de decir que los jugadores de fútbol están con su pantallota en vez de descansar cuando les dan su descanso de 15 minutos? Se están viendo para ver sus errores. Y enfrente de un estadio de 70,000 personas que están gritando y los quieren ver, ¿cómo se dice? Hacer las cosas bien. Y están grabándose sus errores, literal, para volver a regresar después del descanso y mejorar. Y dices que los errores. Y te acabo de dar el ejemplo, es lo que están grabándose, sus errores. Necesitas tener más errores, porque ese es tu problema, ¿ves? Necesitamos sacar esos errores y descartarlos y eliminarlos. This is the first group. Repeat: to start, initially, to begin, firstly, first of all, in the beginning, for example. Hi, good morning. To start, my name is Jonathan. Okay. To begin, today my presentation is the sequencers and the connectors. Firstly, group number 1. This group is to start. This group, the name is beginning group. To begin, to start. You see my example? I use this group to start the class. Hi, good morning. To start, my name is Jonathan. Okay, first of all, I'm the English teacher. To begin, today's class is the sequencers and the connectors. You see? For your example, hi, good morning. First of all, my name is. Firstly, my presentation is the models. Okay, to start, model number 1. Should. Okay. Initially, should is used to express what? Should. To express. Okay, and to express. To express. Good. And you say, okay, next group, to continue. Okay. Right? What's the next group to continue? Must. Excellent. And you continue. And we can use the connectors, the sequencers. What sequencers can we use to give all the models number 3, number 4, number 5? Sure. Not these, more. Go more. Next one, next. Meanwhile. Next. Then. This one, perfect. Then. After that. Secondly, thirdly, for number 3. For the second one, secondly. And in addition, also. And also. Later. In addition. Excellent. This is group number 2. This group is to continue. to continue, to continue. And we use this group to finish. We have group 3, this is 2, and we have group 3 to finish the presentation. This is only to continue the presentation. So, for example, also, after that, model number 2, can. Firstly, you see the other group? Because it's to start model number 2, can. Firstly, can is used to express can.
Question. Necessity. Probability. And request. Possibility. Permission.
Excellent. And you give. Then, to finish the presentation, you give one example. Can. Permission. Also, in addition, for example, permission. Can. Can I go to the movies with my friends? Please, Mom? Can I go to the movies with my friend? And you need a picture of the movies. You understand? And the presentation is only the picture of the movies. And you say, okay, after that, model can. Can expresses permission. Correct? For example, and you have a picture of the movies. Like maybe people watching the movies. Hey Mom, can I go to the movies please with my friends tonight, Saturday night? Can I go to the movies to watch? What's your favorite movie? Jumanji. Can I watch Jumanji with my friends? Can I go to the movies? This is permission, right? Permission. Because I said, hey Mom, can I go to the movies? The movie is at 8 p.m. Can I go, please? Permission, right? With can. One example. Next example. Then, after that, secondly, thirdly, each example you need a sequencer to say, okay guys, next is in this group. Next. And then also, and repeat for all the examples in your presentation. Now we finish. No more examples, no more models. Model number 13. Okay, number 13, we need the group to finish. Can you read the group in color orange or no, aqua? Color aqua, like blue.
Finalización. Finality. Finalmente. Eventually.
Good.
Al final.
Repeat eventually. 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 Next.
In the end.
Good. Finally. In the end. to finish up, to finish. And you can use connectors. These are the connectors. So, and, okay. In addition, the other group, you can also connect. So, and to finish up, and in the end, so finally, so to finish up, so next, so after that, so first, and now you finish the presentation with your examples. Now, this is the group number 3, to finish. To finish the story or the presentation. Repeat. Finally.
Finally.
Eventually.
Eventually.
In the end.
In the end.
Okay, finally, the model have to. Number 13, have to. Have to expresses. Have to.
Expresses certain, express necessity, and
You need one example for certainty, one example for necessity, a picture, and one phrase, one sentence. Like for Ken, permission. Hey mom, can I go to the movies Saturday night? That's the example. And that's the picture. Hey, do I have to? Do I have to? Do I have to study to pass the test? That's my example. So I have a picture of a test. Do I have to study? Or is a student studying in my picture? In the pictures, no text, no writing, only pictures, only pictures. This picture is not correct. This one is correct. Only pictures. Everything you say the examples orally. You speaking. And to connect your examples, you're gonna use the sequencers. We have group number 1 for the examples to begin and to start. And we have group number 2 to continue with the examples and continue with the models and continue the presentation. And we have group number 3 to finish the presentation. And this is a PowerPoint. Example 1, example 2, example 3 in a PowerPoint or Google Slides. And you need a picture for yourself, for you to say, hey, good morning. My name is, and I work for. So open the picture in your Facebook, open this picture for your presentation. Information about you. It's just information about yourself.